Ready to unlock the secrets of timeless tartan? Today, we're diving into the captivating world of plaid. First, let's explore digital plaid. Open your favorite design software like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Create a new document. A square canvas works best. Next, make a grid. In Illustrator, use the rectangular grid tool. In Photoshop, you can use guides or create a repeating pattern of lines. Decide on your grid size based on how dense you want your plaid. Now for the fun part: colors. Choose a base color and, using the rectangle tool, create horizontal stripes across your grid. Vary the widths of the stripes for a classic plaid look. Time for the vertical stripes. Select colors that complement or contrast with your horizontal stripes. Overlay them onto your grid, again varying the widths. Notice where the horizontal and vertical stripes intersect. This is where the magic happens. The colors will blend to create new shades, adding depth to your plaid. Experiment with opacity and blending modes. Lowering the opacity of some stripes or using blending modes like multiply can create a more complex and realistic woven effect. Prefer a more tactile approach? Try weaving. Use a simple loom and various colored threads to create your plaid design. Or, grab some fabric paint and brushes. Use masking tape to create your grid. Then paint in your stripes, one color at a time. Remember to let each layer dry before adding the next. Whether digital or manual, plaid offers endless possibilities. From classic tartan to modern interpretations. Let your creativity flow and design your own unique plaid masterpiece.